Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, myself Chirag. In this video, I am going to discuss how to configure DHCP in a switch, a step-by-step tutorial. If you want to learn how to configure DHCP in a router, a step-by-step tutorial, so click on the above I button. Create one topology with one switch and two PCs. Now you can see both the PCs are connected with the switch using fast Ethernet ports. In this video, I am going to discuss about DHCP configuration. So first of all, DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. The purpose of DHCP protocol to provide the automatic IP addresses to the system or PC in a large network. Let's configure DHCP in a switch. So first of all, click on a switch. Now go to the CLI. Now enter. Now use the enable command to enter into the privilege execution mode. My next command is configure terminal. So using the configure terminal command, you can enter into the global configuration mode. Now you can check. So as per our discussion, here in this video, I am going to configure a DHCP protocol. So first of all, type the command IP DHCP pool and then question mark. So using the question mark, we can get help from the CLI. So here it shows give the pool name after the above command. So here my command is IP DHCP pool and the pool name is LAN. Next task is assign the network address and the subnet mask of this pool. So use the command net 10.0.0.0 and my subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. My next command is default router 10.0.0.1. Using this command default router, I am assigning the gateway address to the switch. It is 10.0.0.1. So here my DHCP configuration is over. Now assign the IP address to the switch. So first command is interface VLAN 1. So now assign the IP address 10.0.0.1 which is used as the default gateway and the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Then after the last command is no shutdown to up the port of the switch. Now exit from the global configuration mode and use the WR command to save this configuration. So my DHCP configuration in the switch is completed. Let's check my DHCP configuration is working or not. Now click on the PC 0, go to the desktop, click on the IP configuration and click on the DHCP. Please wait for a while. So now you can check the IP address is automatically assigned from the pool. It is 10.0.0.2 and the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0 and the default gateway is 10.0.0.1 which is the IP address of the switch. Now again let's check in the PC1. So now you can see using the DHCP protocol, the new IP address is 10.0.0.3 which is assigned to the PC1. So it means my DHCP configuration is successful. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and share with others. Thank you for watching this video.